students, let's see assertive sentences. First of all, what is assertive sentence? Sentences that make a statement are called assertive sentences. These sentences may be positive, negative, false, true statement. To convert such sentences into indirect narration, use the rules as mentioned above, except said is sometimes replaced with told. Now, whatever simple sentence is there, it may be positive, negative, false, true. Okay, we are going to convert this into indirect speech, and only one thing is going to change. Said will change into told. Let's see the example. Direct speech. She says, I am writing a letter to my brother. Simple sentence. Now indirect speech. She says that she is writing a letter to her brother. Only this much change. Now next is imperative sentence. Now what is imperative? Imperative sentences are sentences that give an order or a direct command. These sentences may be in the shape of advice, entreaty, request, order. Now the sentences which gives you order, command, advice or some request, mostly it depends upon the forcefulness of the speaker. Thus a full stop or a sign of exclamation is used at the end of the sentence. For example, shut the door. Such type of sentences are there. In the end you are able to see the exclamation mark also sometimes. Please shut the door. Repair the door by tomorrow. Now shut the door. Please shut the door. Repair the door by tomorrow. These are the examples of imperative sentence. Now, what is this? To convert these types of sentences, the way you are saying these sentences, from that only you come to know whether this is an order, whether it is a request, whether it is a advice. Okay. So to convert these types of sentences into indirect speech, follow the following rules. So the reporting verb is changed according to reported speech. In case the sentence gives a direct command. For example, direct speech. The teacher said to me, shut the door. Now the teacher said to me, shut the door. Now indirect speech. The teacher ordered me to shut the door. What the teacher is doing? Teacher is giving you order. So ordered me to shut the door. The reporting verb is changed according to reported speech into a request. If it is in a request way, then what you are going to say? He said to me, shut the door. He requested me to shut the door. Okay. The reporting verb is changed according to reported speech into advice. If it is a advice, how you are going to change? He said to me, you should work hard to pass the exam. He advised me that I should work hard to pass the exam. He advised me that I should work hard to pass the exam. Now the next sentences are interrogative. Those sentences which ask question are called interrogative sentence. Every interrogative sentence ends at a sign of interrogation. Now there is an interrogation sign, that is a question mark. Do you live here? Is it raining? These are the questions. To convert interrogative sentences into indirect speech, follow the following rules. Now some rules are there to convert this interrogative sentences into indirect speech. So the reporting verb said is changed into ask. Now said will change into ask. If the reporting speech is having the reporting verb at its start, then if is used in place of that. Here we are going to use if. If the reporting speech is having interrogative words like who, when, how, why, when, then, neither if is used nor any other word is added. A full stop is placed at the end of a sentence instead of mark of interrogation. In indirect speech, when you are changing the interrogative sentence into indirect speech, you are not going to put the question mark. You are just going to put the full stop. Okay, let's see the example. I said to her, when do you do your homework? This is a question mark. Question after this. Now change it in direct speech. I ask her when she said her when did when she did her homework. Now there is no question mark in indirect speech, okay? He said to her, will you go to the Peshawar radio station? He asked her if she would go to the Peshawar radio station. This is if. If we have added this if, okay? Now, the next exclamatory sentences. Sentence which expresses state of joy or sorrow or wonder is called exclamatory sentences. You see the example, hooray, we won the match. Alas, I failed the test. Wow, what a nice shirt it is. So these are sudden emotions, suddenly you feel very happy or sad. So these are exclamatory sentences. Examples are given here. Now, let's see how to change. To change such sentences, the words exclaim with joy or exclaim with sorrow, exclaim with wonder is added. We are going to add these words, okay? So, see the example. This depends upon the sentence. Now, the sentence is, he said, hooray, I won the prize. Now, hooray, I won a prize is a happiness. So, you are going to change like this. He exclaimed with joy that he had won a prize. Now she said, alas, I failed an exam. She said, with sorrow. She exclaimed with sorrow that she failed an exam. Now the next is, John said, wow, what a nice shirt it is. John exclaimed with wonder that it was a nice shirt. Okay. Now the last one is optative sentences. Those sentences which express hope, prayer or wish are called optative sentences. Usually there is a mark of exclamation mark at the end of optative. Here also you are able to see the exclamation mark. For example, may you succeed in the test. May you get well soon. Would that I were rich. So these are hope, prayer or wish. Okay. Now how we are going to change? To change optative sentence into indirect speech, follow the following rules. In case the reported speech starts with the word with the word may, then the reporting verb set is replaced with the word prayed. If it is written as may, you are going to write prayed. Okay. In case the reported speech starts with the word would, then the reporting verb set is replaced with the word wished. Now may is changed into might. Let's see the example. Okay, one more thing is important here. Mark of exclamation is omitted. As we are not going to put the question mark in indirect speech, we are not going to put exclamation mark in indirect speech. In indirect speech, the operative sentence become assertive sentence. It will become simple. For example, he said to me, may you live long. Now in direct speech, he prayed that I might live long. Thank you. Hope you understood direct and indirect speech. Note down properly all the sentences, definition in your grammar notebook. Thank you, students.